We raise the cutoff 2.25 blinds, button calls, and big blind calls. Both players are regulars. Flop comes down queen 10-8 two-tone, interesting board, big blind checks into us, and we go ahead and check our entire range to the button here. I expect button's first place. However, every player's got something on this board. Every player has two pairs, sets, straights, combo draws, pairs with blockers to a straight like queen jack, so it's a very symmetrical situation. Therefore the button should not be betting too liberally and should polarize. This time they're about half pots, big blind folds, and we call. Turn is very spicy, jack of clubs, 4 straight, 3 flush. Remember that I'm checking my entire range on the flop, and I'm not going to raise too much facing such a polarized bet, so I do arrive for the turn with straights, flushes, etc., and I am going to find some leads. This time though, I check, button bets 2/3 pot, and I call. We can check raise the turn sometimes with this kind of hand. Otherwise, if you only raise the turn with flushes and maybe ace king with a club, then if the board pairs, you're screwed. You've got no boats. So you need to check raise the turn some of the time. I did check the solution, and it turns out you raise queens more than jacks just because you simply beat jacks, and button can have some jacks pre-flop, and tens more than jacks, specifically with a club, with the flush redraw and even straight flush redraw. So jacks is a bit ugly to check raise. You can do it, but less frequently. We call this time, river comes ace of hearts, we check very happily, button c-bets about 130%, and we go ahead and shove. They snap call us, we're very happy, until we see the bad news, they managed to one out us to quads for a $2,500 pot. Pretty sick run out here. What are you guys doing if this happens to you?